Every year, May 12th is observed as the International Nurses Day across the world. The day marks the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, who is revered as the founder of modern nursing. International Nurses Day 2020 is special as this is her 200th birth anniversary. The day assumes even more significance as the world battles the coronavirus pandemic, and over the past few months, nurses and all the healthcare workers have been at the forefront of this fight, and many have even lost their lives. In the fight against coronavirus, hundreds of nurses across the world have been infected. They have been working continuously in long shifts to treat COVID-19 patients. Many haven't even met their families in a long time and are still putting the needs of their patients ahead of their own. They wear the protective gear for hours even without a single meal for hours and even a glass of water. Despite facing the challenges, their spirits have not faltered. They remain strong and the spirit remains alive. The theme for the International Nurses Day 2020, set by International Council of Nurses, is Nurses, a Nurse, a Voice to Lead, Nursing the World to Health. This emphasizes on need for a supported and empowered nursing workforce as an effective solution to the problem of improving health outcomes. According to WHO, on the day of International Nurses Day and the 200th anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the global health body has joined hundreds of partners across the world to highlight the importance of nurses in the healthcare sector. So on this International Nurses Day, let's pay our tribute to all the nurses in the world that have put their lives at risk to eliminate the pain and sufferings of the others.